Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take you guys on our visit to the Crayola Experience at Florida Mall in Orlando. From learning about the history of Crayola to the unique hands-on activities, there's something fun for everyone. At Wrap It Up, you can personalize a one-of-a-kind crayon label and wrap it around to create your own custom Crayola crayon. This activity requires one token. Each ticket comes with 2 tokens and additional tokens are available for purchase. Modeling Madness also requires 1 token. Here you can get a model magic with the color of your choice and sculpt it any way you'd like. On display, you'll see Bluetiful, the world's largest Crayola crayon. Become the star of your very own coloring page and be a star. Just like in a photo booth, pose and snap a pic. There are also a couple shows that you can watch in the theater. Crayon Factory shows how crayons are made. Chaos and Creativity describes the chaos of running the most creative place on earth. Be on the lookout for the posted schedule for the showtimes. At Meltdown, you can paint with melted wax and take home a one-of-a-kind keepsake. Themes vary daily. Let your craft take center stage with rocking paper. Watch your paper creation dance to the music in this multi-sensory experience. And on to the indoor play zones. Kids can burn off their energy in a 2-story climber at Color Playground, and the tiniest tots can explore in Toddler Town. At Scribble Square, you can chalk it up and color outside the lines and all over the walls, just like if you were outdoors. Scribble Scrubbies are washable pets that you can color, scrub, and play. There are washing and drying stations available to start the fun all over. Each admission ticket comes with a voucher for 1 Scribble Scrubby. Make your own masterpiece with drip art. Put a crayon into the machine, watch it melt, and drip wax onto your paper. You control the speed of the spin, creating your very own swirl of art. At Melt and Mold, choose what your crayon turns into: a car, emoji, shark, or even a seahorse. Use a crayon to color over different textures of characters and scenes in Texture Craze. In Cartoon Creator, you can watch as the Crayola bot sketches you into a cartoon. Take a selfie and let the bot do the work. Once it's finished, you can color yourself as a hero in your very own comic book. At the Trading Post, you can play games, shop for souvenirs, or even mine for gems. And let's talk about food. Snack Shack and Cafe Crayola are both on the 2nd floor. While Snack Shack's always open, Cafe Crayola's only open on the weekends. There are a couple extras that you can do for an additional cost. You can create your very own slime with Slime Lab, or take home a wax mold of your hand with Wax Hand. Crayola Experience also hosts birthday parties. On the 1st floor, you'll find the Crayola store, which is open to the public and has the largest and most unique selection of Crayola products in the world. Some tips and recommendations. Plan on spending 3 to 4 hours to do all the activities. Do you have a birthday coming up? Kids visiting within 7 days of their birthday get free admission. Also, buy your tickets online. It saves time, and at the time of this video, there's a discount of $3 off per ticket. No outside food is allowed, but the Snack Shack and Cafe Crayola have kid-friendly options. Last, visit on a weekday to avoid the crowds. The weekends can get pretty busy. If you guys are ever in the Orlando area, or if you want a break from the parks, this could be a good alternative since it's about 25 to 30 minutes from Disney and Universal. And that concludes our video for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you good vibes on your next vacay. Until next time.